everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So if you have been following for a little while, you already know what my channel is about, but just in case you are new to my channel, hi and welcome. And this is more about the shopping reviews, DIYs and lot of other things which you can see in my previous videos. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about purchase from Shy Away. So this is online lingerie stores apart from Zivame. There are a lot of other like Zivame and there are a lot of them, but I usually shop from Zivame and Shy Away. Now this is the second time I kind of purchased from Shy Away. I am not getting the name of the other lingerie, okay, Clovia and all of that. So I think I have made already a video on the Clovia lingerie very recently, like a month or ago. Now I kind of wanted to shop from Shy Away, so this is a video about that. So this is a quarantine, so I kind of completely kept it outside and then sanitized it. I wanted to show the box because this is a beautiful box, trust me. I like the color of the box and I really like it, the way they have packed it. By the way, they have sent it through speed post. If you can see, this is a speed post. I have never, maybe this is quarantine, that's the reason they have sent it. I have no clue, but usually I don't think they do send in the speed post. This is little new for me. They don't usually do that. So I kind of brought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 5 inners, or you can say lingeries, or you can say bras. I think I have never, this is my first purchase from Shy Away, and they had a good offer like buy 3 get 1 free or something, but I did not brought anything from the offer, but there is still offer going on. Just in case you wanted to purchase it, you can definitely go and visit their website. I will give you a link in the description box, so don't forget to check that link. Trust me, the quality, I have shopped from Zivame and Clovia, but trust me, Zivame was so far my best experience. But when I went to Zivame, they were a little on a pricey side, not like very pricey, but I think every of the push-up bras, now if you have been following for a little while, you already know I love push-up bras or T bras, or usually I think all the ladies out who is watching there, they would definitely love push-up bras that give a little shape, and they would kind of reduce the sagginess, or they will make it look a little better presentable and in place. I'm very sure those who have used it, I am making a little sense to it. I'm not sure because, okay, I'm super excited regarding just now I'm doing the unboxing. I did not even saw what is it. So let me go back to the review. So the first, I ordered a lot of colors because I wanted to experiment with the colors. And the first, which is little of stripe, so this is the first lingerie which I ordered, which is a bra. The quality is supremely good, trust me. If this video is watched by any of the gentlemen out there, you can definitely gift your wife. I'm not sure whether you guys are comfortable gifting your sisters, but again, definitely all the gentlemen, you can gift your wife. I think that's a little bit of gesture of love you can show. By the way, this is something which is ordered by my hubby. I did not pay, like for the first time, probably perks of getting married, so I did not pay at all, and this is not a sponsored video. So he completely selected and kind of ordered for me. So yes, again, thanks to him. And all the the colors which he have selected was really good. I have never used such variant of colors in the inners, which is awesome. So yeah, I was talking about this. This is the first strapless bra, like not strapless, the stripes kind of bra. Really good quality. Everything is good. I mean, there is a lot of support at the back. This quality feels good. If it is not cotton, but this is very comfortable, I really like. And in between this, there is a cute kind of this hanging, which is again a very good quality. It's not a bad quality, and yeah, that's how it looks. Now let me show the kind of the back portion of it. So that's how it looks. So it gives you a very firm support. So the supporting part is really good. There are 3 hooks, so depending on, you can easily kind of use it. It comes with such tag which is so cute. It says sushi, and it is mainly from Sushi. I think they must be their in-house brand, sushi shybae.com. This is really cute. I really like it, but the quality is a top notch. There is okay, if I talk about the stitchings and everything in the cleavage part, it is really good. If you can see, it is really good. So this firmness, it looks supremely good, and I really love the quality. I don't think this is anywhere less than Zivame, which was again my favorite lingerie online store. So I think, 5 out of 5 on this. The next color, and I think this is only the one which is in the strips. The other one are all the colors, the normal ones. They have a lot of funky colors like neon. So if you guys are wanted to go to Goa, or you wanted to go to any of the water areas like Andaman or anywhere where you are gonna swim and you are gonna float yourself with the lingeries, they have a lot of neon lingeries. I think yeah, orange, lemon. They have beautiful colors, but he wanted me to buy that, but I kind of said that let me hold, because this is my first purchase and I don't know about the quality. So if it turns bad, I can use at home, and there is no need that I will use in the holidays. So the next color, but again they were top notch, I can say that. The next color is this is again beautiful parrot. This is underwire, by the way. That was also the underwire. So very good quality, nothing to mention about it. It's really good quality. The straps are adjustable, but it is not detachable. For this also, it was adjustable, but you cannot detach it, and you cannot make it as kind of backless or stripless. You cannot make it. You cannot make it in a form of transparent. So that is something which is a backlog. You cannot detach it. Even in this case, you cannot detach it. Rest everything lies the same. The quality is again the same. At the back also, it is somewhere like this. Very supremely good quality. It's very soft. I can't explain through cameras, but the quality is really soft and wearable. So this is the second color. The third one is wow, this is a really nice color. This is a complete orange one. I love this. I kind of love this. This is how it looks like. This is really good. I love the color. I have never used this color inner, but it is really good. And also this is not detachable. You cannot detach this. Just everything remains the same. It gives a lot of support, and this quality is really nice. The back portion looks like this, and this is also from Sushi, by the way. Yes, this is from Sushi. So this is a beautiful color which I got, and I really love it. I love actually all the colors which they have. The next is again a simple pink without any strips. Okay, this is how it looks. This is again a beautiful cup. Those who wanted to know my size, that is 34C, but they are available in all the sizes. I think they start from yes, they have all sizes, right from I think till 38 or 42 also they have. So just in case you're a little heavy busted, you can definitely put an option for that. So this is the next one, little different, but the strip is so good. This is a little different strip. If you can see, this is little different. This will add on to your look if you understood what I mean to say. This is also non-detachable. The quality is again the same. Let me show you the cleavage part. The cleavage has a beautiful ribbon, which is so good. I really love it. This is a beautiful one. I love the color. being a neon, like this is a kind of not orange, but this is little kind of neon, but the color is not something which is pinching your eyes. That is not there. So I love even this one. If I come at the back, it somewhere looks like this. The cleavage part, I really love the way it runs. I really like it. The last one is again of the same thing, which is a little different color, which is brown. I have never used this color. I don't understand how it's really good. I'm fortunate that he loves so much color. This is completely brown color. I really love. The strip is so good. See the strip. This is so good strip. Again the same like the pink one. This is, and the cleavage part also have a little cute ribbon kind of thing, and the quality is really good. I think all the qualities are really good. At the back, this is the one. I think I got all of them at rupees 1600. I think each bra was about 700. I applied some coupon code. There was a coupon available with me, but apart from that, if you want to individually buy this, I think that will retain for $5.99 or $6.99. For push-up bras, $5.99 and $6.99 is pretty reasonable, and the quality which they are offering is really a top notch. I cannot vouch on that. I really love it, and I'm very sure all the ladies, you can trust their quality. They are, now I am becoming a very big fan of Shy Away apart from Zivame. Zivame is already there. I am big fan of that. But apart from that, if I come to the price point and everything, I think Shy Away is one of the amazing, doing a great job. So I'm just gonna have recommend all the ladies and all the men or gentlemen watching out there. There is nothing shame if you're watching this video because you wanted to give your loved ones. So there is no shame, and those who have any problem if I make the video on the lingerie, please don't leave your negative comments. I'm not really interested. This is something we need to talk about. Every woman wears it. Being a woman, I also wear it, and I'm very sure you will have that broadness to accept this video. So no negative comments, nothing in the description box. That is something which is not gonna bother me anyway. So if you have anything good suggestions, do give me, but any negative comments or any gossip, keep it to yourself. I'm not gonna take it. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay very safe in this quarantine, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.